Okay, you have to practice. Maximum first of all you can go by textbook only. Okay, they will give textbook problems only. They will create a, you got it answer no, they will give A B C D options. Okay, one option answer they will give, remaining 3 options they will give some other options answers. Okay, so that's why you have to go by first of all textbook problems only you can practice. Okay, so today I will share some MCQs materials. Okay. See Nana, in this 10th problem, what is the 10th problem? Integral of 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 into dx Nana. So in this plus 2 we can write 1 by x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1 I will write into dx. This is what you can write Nana, a square plus b square plus 2ab you can write now. So now here 1 by root of x plus 1 whole square plus 1 into dx. So this you can write square now. So 1 square means 1 only. So already you know formula, x square plus a square into dx. This formula you can apply here. What is the formula sir here? Integral of root x square plus a square. Log
of x plus.
Yes, good. So log of x plus x square plus a square plus c. So in this formula you can apply here. So log of x means x plus 1 plus x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus c. Okay, so once you can copy Amma.
The right side board is not visible, sir.
Right. 1 minute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Completed, ma?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Seen on in this 11th problem, integral of 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx. Here also maximum we can try nana a plus b whole square format we can try. You can write whatever the given in this equation. Okay. So now, sir, here 9 is the common. So that's why I'm taking outside, means one. What you can write, sir? X square plus 6 by 9x plus 5 by 9 into dx. So now here what you can write, sir? 1 by 9 here x square plus 2 into 3 by 9 you can write now. 2 into 3, 6 by 9x plus 5 by 9. Here what's are a square 2ab. A means what? 1 only, no? B means, so that's why I am here 3 by 9 whole square adding 3 by 9 whole square I am subtracting. Now here what you can write, sir? 1 by 9 a square plus b square 2ab. 2ab means x plus 3 by 9 whole square a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 5 by 9 minus 9 by 81 3 square means. So 9 9 ja 9 9 ja. So here what you can write, sir? So 1 by 9 integral of x plus 3 by 9 whole square. Here what is the LCM, sir? 9 is the LCM. 5 minus 1 4. So 4 by 9 you can write 2 by 3 whole square you can write now. So 2 by 3 whole square. So 2 by 3 whole square. So here what is the formula, sir? Integral of 1 by x square plus a square formula. Integral of 1 by x square plus a square means what is the formula, sir? What is the number, amma? 1 by x square plus a square means 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. So I will write here formula 1 by x square plus a square into dx means what is the formula, sir? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus a. So in this formula you can apply here. So a means what is the value, sir? 2 by 3. What is the x value, sir? X plus 3 by 9. So now here, so a means 1 by 2 by 3 tan inverse of x means what you can write, sir? X plus 3 by 9. A means 2 by 3 plus 6. So numerator value will come denominator. So now here what you can write, sir? 3 by 2 tan inverse of here 9x plus 3 by 9 into 3 by 2 plus 6. Okay, you can simplify and you can. So once you can copy 12th and 12th you can do, 13th I will explain.
Completed, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Next to 13th one, integral of 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 root of into dx. You can do rough work also, you can do, and you can factors after you can apply integrals, no problem. Otherwise you can direct itself also, you can do, that is your wish. See now here, first x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, Rapport I will do. You can multiply x into x square minus x minus 2x minus into minus plus 2. So here what you can write, sir? X square minus 3x plus 2. Here a square is there, but 2ab format you want to. 2ab format you want to means what you can do, sir? Here x square 2ab only, no, means 2 into 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 3 only now coming plus 2. So this will get cancel numerator and denominator means same equation will come. So you can check here a square 2ab means what is the b value here, sir? Plus 3 by 2. You can add square plus 3 by 2. You can subtract. Now here a square 2ab plus b square means x minus 3 by 2. Why? Because minus 2ab only, no, plus 2 minus 9 by 4. So here what you can write, sir? X minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 4 into 2 8 minus 1 9 means minus 1 by 4. So now we can apply here integral of 1 by x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square in this square root of. Here what is the formula, sir? X square minus a square in this square root of integral of 1 by x square minus a square into dx. What is the formula, Nana? Here you can apply this formula. Integral of
Half of
root
x
1.
into root.
Yes, super. So what is the property, Nana? Here 1 by root of x square minus a square means log of x plus log of mod x plus x square minus a square plus c. So this formula you can apply here. X means x minus 3 by 2, a means 1 by 2. Okay. So once you can copy 14th you can do, Nana. 15th also same. A plus x minus a, x minus b, a plus 1, b plus 2 you can write same as it is. 16th I will explain. Tell me now.
Completed, sir.
Okay. What about remaining Ra?
Completed, sir.
Four x plus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx. So already you know ninth property, Amma. Integral of px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Your properties already I gave na. See page number here, ninth one. Ax square plus bx plus c. In these properties, you can apply here. So now here what you can write, sir? 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. You can take both sides differentiation, means 4x plus 1 0 into dx is equal to dt. Now what you can write, sir, here? 4x plus 1 into dx means dt by this value root t. So root t you can write t power minus 1 by 2 into dt only now. Yes. So now here you can apply t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So now here what you can write, sir? 2 1 is 2 means t power 1 by 2. 2 1 is 2 minus 1 means 1 by 2 plus c. So 2 root t plus c. T means what you can write, sir? 2x square plus x minus 3 root plus c. Okay. Once you can copy him. (17 and 18 also same, Nana? 19th I will explain.
Completed. Completed, sir.
Okay. Integral of 6x plus 7 by x minus 5 into x minus 4 root into dx into dx. So now here inside of the bracket you can multiply x minus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to what can write, sir? X into x square minus 5x minus 4x minus into minus plus 5 into 4 20. So x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay. So now here integral of 6x plus 7 by x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. Here already you know one property. What is the property, sir? Px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx means what you can write, sir? Dx means px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. In this property you can apply here. Means 6x plus 7 is equal to a into differentiation x square means 2x minus 9 plus b. Okay. So you can find out a and b values. So once you can copy them. comparing the in these two equations x terms what's that here 6 is equal 2a 2 1 ja 2 3 ja a is equal to 3 b value constant means 7 is equal minus 9a plus b. So here what you can write, sir? Minus 3 into 9 27 plus b. So b is equal to 34.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Still is there, Nana. See, 6x plus 7 is equal to what you can write, Nana? Integral of a into 2x minus 9 plus b you can write by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx you can write. Okay. So now here a is equal to what, sir? You are find out in 3. So a value constant, no, you can write 3 outside. 2x minus 9 by x square minus 9x plus 20 plus b. B value what, sir? 34 integral of 1 by x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. First this one I will prove that, otherwise you can write integrals 1, integrals 2. You can complete it after you can add, that also no problem. At a time space not sufficient for paper also, yes or no, in exam hall. So that's why one integrals you can prove that, after you can do, you can add. See here, x square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to t. Let first integrals I am doing, both sides differentiation, 2x minus 9 into dx is equal to dt. Here dx. So here what you can write, sir? 3 into 2x minus 9 into dx is equal dt. By this value what, sir? T. So now here what you can write, sir? 3 into t power minus 1 by 2 into dt means 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c1. This one. Next, second equation. Second equation what you can write, sir? Here you can write 9x. 9x means you can add a plus b whole square format. 34 1 by x square. So here I will write 2 into 9 by 2x plus 20. 2 will get cancelled, same only, no? So that's why a square 2ab means 9 by 2 you can add, 9 by 2 you can subtract. Okay, so now here 34 is equal integral of, here what you can write, sir? X minus 9 by 2 whole square you can write now. Yes, plus 20, 9 into 9, 81 by 4. So here also square root is there, Nana. Here also square root. So 34 integral of x minus 9 by 2 whole square plus 20 into 4, 80 minus 81 means minus 1 by 4 means minus 1 by 2 whole square. You can apply formula. Integral of 1 by x square minus a square root of, that formula apply you can. So this one you can add, this one you can add. Okay. So once you can copy none.
Completed.
Okay. So remaining sums can do Nana. Once you can revise some of these sums. Tomorrow I will teach one more concepts, integration by partial fractions. Okay. So once you can revise now. Today I will share MCQs, Nana. Okay. Some delete concepts are also is there, that problems you can leave it and you have to practice remaining problems. Okay. Already you saw in yesterday video, yesterday I'm sharing in video that everything is there, deleted exercise, miscellations. Okay. Every problem where you can delete it. For example, relations and functions. 1.1 and 1.2 only is there. 1.3 and 1.4 deleted. Yes or no? Next, inverse of trigonometry only 2.1. 2.2 only 4 problems are there, remaining deleted. Next, elementary operation in matrix 3.4 exercise, last exercise deleted. Row operation and column operation not there. Invertible matrix, that concept also deleted. Next, properties of determinants 4.2 and 4.6, that also deleted. 4.2 fully deleted, 4.6 only one problem is there, remaining deleted. Next, continuity and differentiation 5.8 exercise deleted. Once I will write on the board, see. Term 1, first chapter, relations and function, exercise 1.1 and 1.2 only. 1.3 deleted, 1.4 also deleted. Next, inverse of trigonometry only, exercise 2.1 only. 2.2 deleted, only 4 problems are there, that I will give clarity. Next, matrix, okay, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 only is there. 1 minute, wait, I will bring test. Hmm. 3.3 only. 3.4 not there, deleted. Next, determinants 4.1, 4.3, 4.4. and 4.5, 4.2 and 4.6 also deleted. 4.6 only one problem is there. Okay, 4.2 fully deleted. 4.6, 15 or 16 one problem is there. That's it. Next, continuity and differentiation all is there. Only 5.8 mean value theorem deleted. The chapter full is there. Next, sixth chapter, applications of derivatives. 6.2 is there. 6.3 is there. Yes, 6.2 is there. 6.3 is there. And 6.5 is there. Okay, that's all. Here 6.1 and 6.4 deleted, not there. No need practice for 6.1 and 6.4. 6.2, 6.3. But today test I gave already. I am preparing. So today itself you have to write. Next exam onwards, I will give only these 3 exercises. Okay. Last one chapter is there, LPP. That teaching time only I will say which is the problems are there. Okay, once you can see, he gave miscellations also. What is there, what is not there. Very useful and understanding. Everything is writing on the board. This deleted, this is there. Any doubt about that?
No, sir.
Anyone? Okay. See here only 2 exercise, here 1 exercise. This is already matrix, very easy. Nothing is there in matrix. Difficult only 1 exercise is there, row operation and column operation deleted. Determinants also easy. Difficult exercise, properties of determinants 4.2 deleted. So remaining all easy only. So here differentiation, these 2 chapters you have to practice more time. Okay. So okay Nana, term 1 portion. This is, so first you have to cumulative test is there now. First 4 chapters. Cumulative 1, first 4 chapters. Next exam, these 2 chapters, continuity and differentiation. Next 3rd exam, LPP. I will give here determinants or matrix, like that I will give. Depending on difficult chapter only I will give here. Only 1 chapter now. So you have to practice. Finally board exam very easy. Okay. Any doubts about?
Sir,
Tell me Nana.
sir, in exams they will ask why we have selected this option, reason, sir.
Why he is asking means Nana, actually he is following by NEET pattern and JEE pattern. If you some students only writing NEET, so some students only writing JEE. Now itself you can give in this pattern means, and someone is joining engineering. Engineering also only MCQs pattern only exam for reverse, not subject to multiple choice only. So this year itself is started in intermediate onwards only. Okay. You have to practice first textbook sums only, Nana. Don't go any material. Okay. To follow by only NCERT textbook. Mathematics very important. First of all, NCERT textbook only.